everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my doll rooms, but first I'm going to show you how I take apart the dog box, okay? And this is a pad box that I use. It used to look different, but this is the one that I've been using for a couple of months now. So what I do is I cut the top off, because usually these tabs with the little handle thingies, they're usually in, let's see if I can close it again. So they're usually in like that, and then these ones go over like that, and it's usually like that on both sides, on the top and the bottom. So what I do is I cut the tape off from the bottom and the top. Sorry for the squeaky chair. So after I do that, I just cut down the spines, and I just do it to these side ones with the handles. I just cut this side and that side, and then after you do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Okay, so after you cut off the handle parts, you will have these two big, perfect size pieces. And what I do is I just pick my side that I want, and since I want it to be tall enough, I do it like this versus like this. So anyways, I just do it up like that, where the picture is up like this. This is how I do it, okay? So I will take my hot glue gun. I feel like hot glue works the best for this, and I glue one tab to the other tab, and I just do that. And sometimes if I want the room to be a little bit shorter, I will cut these ends off on both sides, but sometimes I will just leave them on if I want the room longer. And for example, when I made the coffee shop, I left it longer, but when I did the bakery, sweet shop and stuff, I just cut the sides off. So it all depends on what you want. But that is how I make my doll rooms that fold. So if you left the tabs on, it will be pretty long. It'll be pretty big if you leave the tabs on. But if you cut them off, it will be really small, but not too small. Like, it'll be good enough size for like a decent sized living room and stuff. But I am turning this one into a restaurant, so I am going to leave it long, like so. I'm just gonna leave it long, and this way I can like put more seating and stuff. So that is the end of today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take apart this dog.